Welcome back, graduates. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create a private app. And there's certain situations where you're going to need to generate a private app and get an access token. So follow along. And also, if you guys are using our theme migration tool for Ecomify Theme, this tutorial is for you. So firstly, what you want to do is you want to click on Apps. You want to go to Apps and Sales Channels. Then you want to go on Develop Apps right here. And you might see other things here, but what we're going to do for this situation is we're going to create a new app. And for everyone who's trying to use our migration tool, we're going to name it Theme Migration Tool. Okay, and you want to pick your whatever email it is. It doesn't really matter. So click Create App. Then you want to click on Configuration here, and then you're going to click on Configure. And then for this situation, we're just targeting themes, but you'll notice all of these different permissions. You have read and you have write permissions. Now, if you're working with the developer and they ask you to create a private app, you want to ask them what permissions do they need. And if you see them create an app and they add permissions that you don't authorize, you should probably uninstall that app because this does open up doors to your store. So you want to be very, very careful on what permissions you set. Now, in this situation, we just need theme access because our tool, it does exactly that. It updates your theme. So if you purchased our theme and you're sick and tired of having updates and you have to redesign your store, our tool solves that. It's for our theme only, Ecomify Theme, but we're just going to be adjusting the theme access. So theme, and you want to just click on Write and Read Themes, hit Save. And this step is important. You're going to install the app. Install theme migration tools on Glendev's site? Yes. And they even give you a little warning. Now, here's the thing. Whenever you go in and you create a private app, you get this access token one time and only one time. So you reveal once, copy it, and that's it. Now, if at any time you're done working with your developer, you're no longer using the tool that you're using, you want to uninstall this. If you're using our theme migration tool, I highly advise you to save your access token somewhere safely because you may not want to save it into your theme. I don't suggest you do that. In this demo situation, I'm going to be hard coding it as an example, but that's bad practice. You don't want to do that. Put it on your Apple Notes somewhere or save it on, write it down or something. Keep it safe. But in this situation, I'm going to be uninstalling this because I don't want you guys stealing my access token. So I'm going to uninstall it. Well, actually, what I'll be doing is, I'm going to uninstall this. So that is how you create a private app. Thanks for watching.